So remember that sidewalk I showed you that was done like literally 2 weeks ago? So here it is again. All right. Now, why would you want to pay for cleaning that lasts not even 3 weeks when you can call me and my cleaning will last you nearly a whole year? Big difference. You don't get stripes, swirls, you don't get this crap left behind like this. Call Pro, it's a big difference. You get the better quality work. Everybody wants better quality, better value. It's simple. Seriously, don't get taken. Call Pro, you already know. This is sad. Everywhere you go in Florida is the same thing. Look at that. This was done 2 weeks ago. Pathetic.